Don't touch my leg.
Are you making him feel uncomfortable?
Yes.
All right. Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave.
I'm Nick. Agios. Huh?
There's not a chance that he's getting anything for Christmas because he doesn't even know his name. So how's Santa going to know him? Just for the
Agios.
record. Just for the record, this is not referring to me. Okay? Let's be clear.
Yes, it does.
Shh. Don't make me go naughty on you.
Yes, it does.
I'm going to go naughty on you in a minute.
Yes, it does.
I'm
Yes, it does. 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 Huh? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Oh.
Roll credits.
This is the part where you come back to life and play the guitar.
Okay, so we have spent the last 23 days going through the Lego City Advent Calendar. Today is day 24, Christmas Eve. It's my turn, and we're going to... What do y'all think I'm building?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus! Let's see. He's stuck in the North Pole. Actually, it's more like the Southwest Pole, isn't it? Or Southeast Pole, I mean.
Want me to get it out for you?
No! I don't! Get that! It's mine! Give me!
What's the train? Where'd this come from?
Okay, I have Santa Claus, and I am building Santa Claus. Why does his hat get a special...
Two beards.
Well, maybe he wants to change beards along the way. I'm guessing that these two pieces go together. Just a guess, you know. Just seems like the right thing. I'm going to guess that his head goes on here, but he probably needs a beard first. So we're going to put the beard on, and then the head on.
Push harder. There we go.
But I'm confused about a couple of pieces. Can we open that back up?
That's it.
No, that's not it. I mean, I understand this piece. It's got a horn so that he can holler at everyone. Tell them how naughty they've been in Legoland. Come on, get in there. And then, of course, he's got his hat. But I don't understand the little cookie thing. It's like it needs to be in something to hold onto his hand. Surely it doesn't just sit on there. Or do they... Wait. What do you got? What do you got? Hey, yeah, that looks good.
That doesn't fit on the hand. You stupid.
What's in it, buddy? I don't... Maybe that's just supposed to slide over the hand. Maybe it really does. It does. It do.
Wow, really?
Yeah, it do. It just goes on.
It do.
It do.
It do.
It do.
It do. Oh, it do.
And I can't get to the specialized hat. They put it in some special packaging, I tell you.
Stop touching my leg.
Santa! Where did Santa go? He stole Santa.
Got him.
Where's his head?
Ah.
I made Santa. Christmas is saved.
Alright, we're done here.
No, we're not. Santa gets to ride on the train.
Heck yeah.
Didn't you see the picture?
This one.
Oh, come on, stand up.
Oh, wait. I think there's space for the little stuff in the...
What little stuff? Do you think he's supposed to sit? We broke the train. Santa, you need to lose weight, man. You broke the train. No more cookie for you. Okay. All right. We're going to get this. We're going to get it. I don't know if I would go on a long trip on this train, though, Santa, just to be honest with you. So, ta-da! Santa is riding on the train, eating a cookie, yelling in a bullhorn.
And another beard.
And he brought along a spare beard. Yeah, I don't know. Well, guys, this has been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed spending time down here putting together Lego pieces. And, of course, I guess we could turn this around and let y'all see the city. All the holes that we've made in the city. Whoopsie! Right. So this has actually been a great little gift to us that has allowed us to put all these little pieces of the city together. The helicopter, we'll put it up here.
Helicopter don't work, Dad. Someone's been really naughty. They aren't even getting coal.
Oh boy. Well, it's not
dirt.
me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this as much as we have. We're gonna, go play with our Lego pieces, our Lego blocks now. We'll see you next Christmas. Right here on
DIY Dave and Company.
We hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Have a great rest of the year. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Santa
Merry
Claus.
Christmas. Merry Christmas time.
Nope. No way.
We're done.
Alright, we're done here.